Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to get M13 Morningstar in COD Mobile step by step. Start by checking the Events tab for limited time challenges, then track the progress for required tokens or objectives. Prioritize headshot and win tasks to speed completion. If an offer appears in the store, compare token cost versus playtime needed. Keep a daily routine to steadily collect rewards and avoid missing timed events. In this video, I will explain how to get M13 Morningstar in COD Mobile step by step. First, open the Events tab and scan active challenges that list the M13 Morningstar as a reward. Prioritize tasks that you can complete naturally, like playing specific modes or earning headshot kills. Use double XP or token boosts when available to increase progress. Coordinate with friends to complete squad objectives faster and stay aware of countdown timers. In this video, I will review how to get M13 Morningstar in COD Mobile step by step. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading guides and game lore during breaks, with a sharp display and long battery life that fits in your bag. If that sounds useful, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to get M13 Morningstar in COD Mobile step by step. Once you obtain the M13 Morningstar, tune it for consistency. Reduce recoil, increase ADS speed, and boost range. Test attachments in the practice range to confirm improvements before using them in ranked matches. Adjust sensitivity to match the new recoil profile, and stick with a loadout that supports map roles like long lanes or objective defense for reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.